Hello folks, how y'all doing this afternoon? I wanted to go over with you how I clean my Blackstone griddle after I cook on it. We had our grandchildren here this morning, and I cooked a dozen eggs outside here, cooked a big pot of grits, and I just wanted to go over with you how easy it is to clean these Blackstone. But before I do that, I wanted to share something with you. We have blueberry bushes out here in our yard. My wife Mitty took her grandchildren, Eva, Bella, and Bentley out there, and they picked some blueberries. And my wife Mitty went in the house with the grandchildren and baked fresh blueberry muffins. These are outstanding. I've already had one. I had it for dessert after I had our grits and eggs this morning. So I'll deal with that here in just a minute. But I just wanted to show you how easy this is to clean. There are many people out there that do it different ways and do this, do that. This is the way I do it, and I do it this way every time, and it's real simple. And what I use a spatula, and I've got these shop towels. Y'all seen these blue shop towels? You know, I buy them by the case. And what I do after I cook, and like I say, all I've cooked on this morning, I cooked a dozen eggs, and I cooked it with butter, and you can probably see this thing starting to smoke. I've got all the burners on high. So what I'm going to do is take one of these little shop towels, and I'm just going to go over it and kind of clean up what butter traces are left on here. And I use these shop towels because they're very heavy duty, super heavy duty. I use them to scrape with, you know, with my spatula. And I'm just trying to get everything off of there. You know, the biggest pieces, you know, of what was left after cooking. All right, got that done. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a fresh paper towel. Rip me off a fresh paper towel here, and I'm going to fold it up. And I've got a squirt bottle with water in it. Nothing but water. And I folded that up a couple times. You know, it's kind of thick, and it is a heavy-duty paper towel. I've got a bottle of water here, and I'm just going to squirt it on the Blackstone. At 212 degrees, water turns to steam. What better way to sanitize something than to use steam? So I let this high quality H2O do the work for me. I squirt it on there a couple times. It's going to help break up any loose particles. Then I take my new paper towel and just rub across the top. And I'm going to do this, normally I'll do it about 3 times. But, you know, since the only thing I cooked was eggs, and now you can see on the back, you know, how dirty it was, you know, and it's not terrible. This is how easy it is. Nothing to this. Squirt water on it a couple times, let it steam up. And see, this side, there's not a whole lot of nothing on it now. And that's it. That is all I do. Some people will come back and they'll put a coat of oil on it and rub the oil in, let it cook in there, kind of like re-seasoning the Blackstone. This is the way I do it, and I cook on it every day. Now, if I let this griddle set for a week or so, yes, I might put a coat of oil on it, but in my personal opinion, I don't think it needs any oil on it. The next thing I do, you know, the burners are still running wide open, and I use a 40-pound tank. I cook on it every day. Those 20-pound cylinders won't last very long. I've got a 40-pound cylinder. I cut the gas off, let the gas run out, and then I turn my gas knobs off, and that's it. That's all you need. Close the lid and go in the house. What did that take? 5 minutes? They are so easy to clean. There's nothing to that. So if you've ever wondered, there are many ways to clean your Blackstone. Many ways. Do what works for you. This works for me. So and if I was doing, say, a stir fry, or if I wanted to fry some cube steak on here or something, doing stuff like that, you're going to have bits that get kind of cooked in. Even though it's a non-stick surface on here, after getting them seasoned and all that, it's a non-stick surface. I will take my spatula before I put any water on it, and I may scrape up, those little crispy bits that are left behind. And that's all I do, and I just push them right off into that grease trap. And after I get the biggest hunks off, that's when I'll squirt water on there, let it steam up. That loosens up the rest of those particles. And then when you hit it with that shop towel, or now you can use just any kind of paper towel. I use the shop towels because they are heavy duty. They work great for me. But that's all you have to do. If you have to scrape it a lot, you may want to put a little coat of oil on it. I don't. Normally I don't. The next morning I'm going to come out and cook on it, and it's already seasoned. Put butter down, olive oil, whatever I'm going to cook with. So that's the name of that tune. I just thought I'd share this quick video with you and show you how easy it is. I've had people say before that they didn't like the Blackstones because they couldn't get them clean. There's nothing no easier to clean than a Blackstone. Cast iron skillet on your stove are harder to clean than this. And they're both basically the same material. So with that being said, that's all I got for you. I got this blueberry muffin I'm fixing to knock out. Y'all have a nice day. Thank you for joining me over here at Big Al's Eats. And remember, invite your friends to like and share my page. I'd appreciate it. So until next time, bon appetit. Y'all have a nice day.